Houston's the energy capital of the world, and that's why it's a perfect place for us to be headquartered. We love being here. It puts us right in the middle of the action. My name's Ryan Baker. I'm the CEO and founder of Arc Aerial. We're a drone services company based in Houston, but we have offices in Dallas and West Texas. Aerial patrols are an important part of the pipeline operator's process for maintaining pipeline infrastructure. Pipeline operators are required to look on a bi-weekly or a monthly or a quarterly basis at the entire length of the pipeline right-of-way footprint to look for areas where there might be issues. People digging where they shouldn't be, construction companies digging where they shouldn't be, or where there might be a leak on the right-of-way. And typically, in the past, those have been completely done by manned aircraft, fixed-wing aircraft or helicopters. But what's great now is that companies like us, we fly drones over these pipeline right-of-ways to look for what are called encroachments. For those aerial patrols, our UAS pilots take out a vehicle and a drone, and they fly the entire length of the pipeline right-of-way looking with visible spectrum cameras for encroachments or possible issues. These flights operated by our UAS pilots are automated. So we ingest the center lines of the pipelines from the operators, and then the drone follows the waypoint path, capturing a photo every 2 seconds. They're able to inspect those images, review them, pull a punch list of the issues. And then we then have an in-house data team that takes all the encroachment data captured throughout the day by our pilots. They ingest and process that, and then they return the reports back to the pipeline operator the same day so that they can respond. We do a lot of different things for the energy business, whether it's aerial patrols or leak detection or just baseline mapping. But these aerial patrols are having a real impact on how these operators work every day. And being able to do that with drones at scale, flying hundreds or thousands of miles every week, it's pretty fun to watch, and it's something that we're really excited to be a part of.